our red bean, kidney bean. Kidney bean. I have 2 kilo. This another one. This another kidney red beans. Cooking kidney red. So that when it's boiling, salt will enter the body. But now I'm just parboiling. So catch it. Put on the fire. We parboil it first. Then remove the juice from it. Catch here. This is parboiled. So we have to put it off. Then we sieve the water. Yes. Because sometimes this beans, the water gives gastric. You know, for me, that's why I don't cook it directly like that. I have to wash it, rinse it. Putting the new water again. Now this is the time I have to put salt. The beans water now. I've removed everything. So now this one is clean. So I'll be putting water here, then put salt. This is our salt. So that now is the time that you can put everything inside. So this is how I cook my beans. So maybe you have not cooked your own like this. But me, I sieve the water after parboiling, then I wash it, put salt. So that now salt will be entering the body. So that when you're eating the beans, it's already having salt. You not put salt again when you are putting tomatoes. Covering it now to boil now. This one now you can fry a tomato, then you leave it to be cooked. Then later you fry the beans. Put everything you can put here. Whether it's crayfish, fish, you want to use it, tomato, it depends on you. This here. For my beans. We have two tomatoes for the beans. This is tomato for the beans. Garlic with onion, we're putting it there. I will be adding the third one because I love tomato in my bed. I'll be boiling it now like this. I'll put salt, a bit of dry pepper, so that will boil and put salt. Let's go to the fire. Look at the bean. So the tomatoes. The beans is already boiled. It's ready. As you can see, the beans is ready. It's only waiting for the ingredients. Hi guys, we have our rice parboiled. This is our rice. We're boiling our rice. I will do parboiled. Rice put in water. For the beans, I'm going to parboil. For rice boil, I'll put salt. Olive oil, I'll put it here to boil my rice. A bit. Yes. Follow me, let's put our rice. I'll set